In the pursuit of inner peace and well-being, the ancient practice of chakra meditation offers a profound path to connect with our deepest selves. Chakras, swirling energy centers within our subtle body, govern various aspects of our physical, emotional, and spiritual health. Among these, the root chakra, located at the base of our spine, serves as our foundation, grounding us to the earth and providing a sense of stability and security. The root chakra, also known as Muladhara in Sanskrit, is the first of the 7 major chakras. It is associated with the color red and the element of earth, symbolizing our primal connection to the physical world. This energy center governs our basic survival instincts, our sense of safety, and our ability to manifest our needs. When the root chakra is balanced, we feel grounded, secure, and supported. However, when our root chakra is out of balance, we may experience feelings of fear, anxiety, insecurity, and instability. Modern life, with its constant demands and pressures, can easily disrupt the delicate balance of our chakras, leading to a sense of being ungrounded and disconnected. Root chakra meditation offers a powerful tool to restore balance, cultivate a sense of stability, and enhance our overall well-being. By directing our attention and intention to this energy center, we can release blockages, promote the smooth flow of energy, and tap into our innate sense of grounding and security. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the root chakra, exploring its significance, the signs of imbalance, and a step-by-step guide to root chakra meditation for enhanced well-being. The root chakra, situated at the base of the spine, is our energetic connection to the earth. It is responsible for our sense of safety, security, and survival. When this chakra is balanced, we feel grounded, stable, and supported, like a tree firmly rooted in the ground. This sense of grounding allows us to navigate life's challenges with resilience and fortitude. The root chakra is associated with our basic needs, such as food, shelter, and security. It is also linked to our feelings of belonging, our connection to our family and ancestors, and our ability to provide for ourselves and our loved ones. When our basic needs are met and we feel safe and secure, our root chakra can function optimally. However, when our basic needs are not met, or when we experience trauma, stress, or fear, our root chakra can become unbalanced. This can manifest in a variety of ways, both physically and emotionally. Understanding the signs of an unbalanced root chakra is crucial for addressing these imbalances and restoring harmony to our overall well-being. In the next section, we will explore the common symptoms and effects of an unbalanced root chakra, shedding light on the importance of maintaining its balance for our physical, emotional, and spiritual health. An unbalanced root chakra can manifest in a variety of ways, often presenting as physical, emotional, and behavioral symptoms. Recognizing these signs is crucial for taking proactive steps to restore balance and enhance overall well-being. Physically, an unbalanced root chakra may manifest as fatigue, lower back pain, digestive issues, or problems with the feet and legs. Emotionally, an unbalanced root chakra can lead to feelings of fear, anxiety, insecurity, and instability. You may experience racing thoughts, difficulty concentrating, or a constant sense of worry. These emotional imbalances can stem from feeling ungrounded, disconnected from yourself and the world around you. Behaviorally, an unbalanced root chakra can lead to procrastination, disorganization, and difficulty completing tasks. You may feel overwhelmed by daily responsibilities or struggle to stay motivated. These behavioral patterns often arise from a lack of grounding and a sense of being pulled in multiple directions. Furthermore, an unbalanced root chakra can also impact your relationships and finances. You may find it challenging to trust others, set healthy boundaries, or manage your finances effectively. These challenges stem from a lack of security and stability within yourself, making it difficult to establish healthy connections and maintain financial well-being. When the root chakra is out of balance, it can create a ripple effect, impacting various aspects of our lives. The feeling of being ungrounded can permeate our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, leading to a sense of unease and disharmony. One of the most significant impacts of an unbalanced root chakra is on our sense of security and stability. When our root chakra is blocked or deficient, we may feel anxious, fearful, and insecure, even in safe and familiar environments. This can stem from past traumas, childhood experiences, or ongoing stressors that trigger our survival instincts. As a result, we may find it challenging to relax, trust others, or feel truly at peace. Moreover, an unbalanced root chakra can also affect our physical health. Since this chakra governs our basic survival needs, imbalances can manifest as digestive issues, lower back pain, fatigue, or problems with the legs and feet. These physical symptoms are often interconnected with our emotional state, reflecting the mind-body connection. Furthermore, an unbalanced root chakra can impact our ability to manifest our goals and desires. When we are ungrounded and disconnected from our sense of self, we lack the stability and focus needed to pursue our aspirations effectively. This can lead to feelings of frustration, self-doubt, and a sense of being stuck in a rut.